Welcome to Redline Review.
The 2026 Rolls-Royce RV redefines luxury travel by combining Rolls-Royce grandeur with RV flexibility. This car is for road warriors who want luxury and comfort. Overview: the luxurious and innovative 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome costs $450,000, 6.99 billion Indonesian rupiah. Its sleek appearance and Pantheon grille and Spirit of Ecstasy logo reflect the brand's classic style. Hand-stitched leather, polished hardwoods, and tailored fabrics create a five-star hotel atmosphere. Specifications key: Powertrain, V12 engine with hybrid option. Horsepower, 563 horsepower. Torque, 627 pound-feet. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. Battery, 30 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion with regenerative braking. Top speed, 155 miles per hour, 250 kilometers per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.6 seconds. Dimensions: 22 feet, L, x 8 feet, W, x 10 feet, H. Fuel economy, 15 to 20 miles per gallon. Drive system: all-wheel drive with adaptive air suspension, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, 360-degree cameras. Night vision features include AI-powered voice assistant, biometric security, 5G connectivity, and smart home integration. Interior amenities include a king-size bed, full bathroom with premium fixtures, fully equipped kitchen with induction cooktop, convection oven, wine chiller, and automated coffee maker. Additional features include integrated solar panels for auxiliary power, multi-zone climate control with air purification and aromatherapy options. Pros: luxury, handcrafted interiors with exceptional materials and modern amenities. Cutting-edge technology, smart home integration, AI-assisted driving, and top-tier entertainment systems. Top-notch comfort, large living spaces, a king-size master suite, and a fully equipped kitchen. Rolls-Royce's iconic design exudes elegance on the road. Smooth ride, advanced suspension, and noise cancellation technology offer a calm, pleasant driving experience. Limited manufacture targets an exclusive audience, making it a prestige symbol in motorhomes. Cons: highly expensive, out of reach for most buyers. High maintenance costs, advanced technology and luxury materials necessitate specialist care. Large size, possible difficulty in narrow spaces or cities due to its size. High fuel consumption potential due to vehicle size and luxury features, despite hybrid components. Limited availability. Rolls-Royce may build a limited number, making acquisition challenging. Some may find it excessive. Motorhome travelers who want practicality may find the extravagance overkill. Final decision: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome epitomizes luxury travel with unmatched comfort, technology, and design. Its price and size may not suit everyone, but it offers unsurpassed road-going elegance.